Welcome. In today's video, I am so excited to take you guys shopping with me for Christmas at Walmart, especially pink Christmas. Hey you guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I just have on this cute lace top. I have on this scarf and then my Dollar Tree beanie because I need to stay warm and also look somewhat Santa girly. Somebody asked me in another video where I got this. This is from Dollar Tree. And I love it because it's pale pink and it was $1. So before we head out on this pink Christmas shopping adventure, I'm going to pour some gravy over my pot roast. It is going to simmer on low all day long to get this pot roast all nice and tasty and cooked. I really am interested to see how many pink ornaments Walmart has available this time of year for us. And I'm also going to share with you guys some other traditional holiday decor as well. So we are at Walmart. We're going to go on a little Christmas shopping adventure and we're going to start in the pink Christmas section. So you guys, all of these ornaments that I'm going to share with you in this section are $1.97. And here is this beautiful Cinderella glass slipper on a pink pillow. I absolutely love it. This is probably my favorite section in Walmart, is this $1.97 aisle. And look at this adorable puppy dog. If you guys have a puppy dog lover in your family, and this beautiful pink horse would be so adorable on a little girl's tree. And this is the holy grail. I love these angel wings. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous are these? They're very detailed and glittering. And look you guys, they actually made a pink truck for us this year. Actually it looks kind of like an SUV, but how cute is that? It has a pink Christmas tree on the top. And look at these adorable pink pineapples. My daughter went crazy for pineapples this summer, so she may be getting that one. This umbrella is also adorable. This is definitely my favorite section. Look at how cute this little snow globe is. It has pink Christmas trees in it. And then I love buying this cake and dolling it up with some laces. And you guys, look at this super sparkling poinsettia. So gorgeous. And I think this snowman is adorable. I also think that we could hack this very easily with a Dollar Tree ornament. So many cute pink options this year for our pink lovers. And look at this little candy cane house. Would be so cute in a Christmas village.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right.
Now, these were definitely my favorite. These are beautiful and oh so glam, those pink slippers. And look at this beautiful sparkling butterfly. I love these big giant poinsettias and butterflies. They're so nice to fill out your Christmas tree. The poinsettias were $2.97. And then I also like to get these little detailed ornament clips. These are $1.48, and you guys can actually take these and cut these apart to use them in some of your displays as well. How adorable are these pink stars? This is really the first year I think I remember seeing these. They're so sparkling, and I think there's about 10 to 12 in a package. And Walmart also is carrying these big, giant, beautiful, very detailed ornaments. They're a little bit more expensive, but not bad for the size and the detailing and glittering and beautiful jewels on them. And I had to share with you guys this one. This is a pack of 41. They're the shatterproof ornaments for $9.48. I thought that was a super steal. Now we're moving on to the 98-cent ornament. You guys, check this stock. These are a great deal. These ornaments are very large and they're perfect if you're doing a themed tree. So definitely the sugar plum candy theme. And I think this snowman is adorable, perfect for anyone because you can paint that hat to match whatever color scheme you're using. And this little pink snowman is adorable for 98 cents. I think that's where it's at. And I also loved this pink heart ornament. This would be great too to carry into Valentine's Day if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day as well. And then here's for your little monster lovers in the family. They also had those in pink as well. And how beautiful is this little pink deer with her scarf? Very detailed and cute for 98 cents with the glittering hooves. And for that man in your family, I am definitely going to do a man cave tree for my guys. I love this drill. This is so cute. And they just had all kinds of tools for a man tree. And then look at These are beautiful. They had lollipops and cupcakes and ice cream cones. These ornaments are really large and beautiful, very detailed for 98 cents. You guys could add more jewels, ribbon, laces, anything to customize it and personalize it.
Oh, jingle
Now, I couldn't resist sharing with you guys the blue and purple section because we did do some multicolored trees in my last DIY Christmas episode. We did that blue mermaid tree and we also did the unicorn tree. So I had to share with you guys some of these different colors because I know you guys loved doing different styles and colors like I do. And I really loved this beautiful mermaid ornament that Walmart has put out. They had it in purple, gold. I believe they had it in pink, but I think it was sold out. So these are so beautiful though. If you guys are going to do that Ariel little mermaid tree, kind of an under the sea adventure tree, they had so many options for you in this blue and purple section. And another one of my favorite ornaments that they had was this tin heart that says love on the front. They had it in gold and this teal color, several different colors. I thought it was just so sweet and so precious. Again, it could also be carried into some Valentine's Day decor or just for a romantic bedroom. And I love these glass slippers. These are absolutely beautiful. And still, there's more of those underwater sea adventure ornaments. So precious and so adorable for anyone doing a beach theme. I just love this aqua color. It also goes great with pink. And some of the details on these ornaments, you guys, really impressed me. I love this one. It had a faux crystal hanging down. Those are beautiful to use as well. And now we're moving into the white ornament section. They had a bunch of really beautiful white ornaments as well. I love to use white mixed in with pinks and teals for shabby chic decor, and I love these angel wings. These are so perfect to do a memory tree if you guys have lost any loved ones and you wanted to do an angel memory tree. I'm definitely going to be sharing how I'm going to do a memory tree for my husband who has lost several. And look at this darling sleigh. I think that's so precious and would be great for a little mini Christmas village. And I just love all of these white ornament options. I think they're really beautiful. For $1.97, I think they're really cute and a great deal. And this white poinsettia is definitely my secret weapon for my Christmas tree, you guys. I have a ton of those. They make a great filler to fill out your Christmas tree or your garlands. And I will definitely share with you guys how I use them in my Christmas tree. And this is probably my favorite white ornament. This Victorian looking one with the teardrop shape, very detailed. And look at this bunny. Oh my goodness, these are so precious. Now we're going to move into the gold section. I love this darling cherub Cupid. She is so precious, and you could paint her too if you wanted to do a different color. Then there again is our beautiful mermaid sparkling, and a little treasure chest would be really cute under a mini tree. There's that beautiful love ornament that I love. And then I love the cats. They had this cat in pink and also the gold and with the little glittering slippers. Absolutely perfect for any one of your family members or yourself that loves cats. I love cats. You guys know I love my Tinky. And this is a beautiful little jewel that I saw too. I love this perfume bottle. If you guys had a teen that's like a Coco Chanel lover, you could put some pearls on the front of that. And these beautiful ballerinas are absolutely precious for that little ballerina in your family as well. Now we're going to move into more of the traditional woodland theme ornaments. They had some really sweet ideas here. You could even DIY some of these for even cheaper if you wanted to, but I just had to share with you guys some of these little ideas with the little woodland characters and the pieces of wood. And this little guy right here is so adorable, and they had an ornament like this at TJ Maxx for $5.99. So if you're doing a woodland theme, definitely check these out. Now, I do feel like Dollar Tree has Walmart beat on some of these ornaments, so if you guys are going for a specific theme, I definitely suggest check with your Dollar Tree first to see what they have, because some of the ornaments that I'm seeing at Walmart, at least in the woodland section, remind me kind of the ones at Dollar Tree, and so the ones at Dollar Tree obviously are $1, and these are a little bit pricier. So just pick and choose maybe the ones that you feel like you couldn't get at Dollar Tree or that are really specific. And I love this puppy dog. He is adorable. Now we're going to move into some of the smaller sign ideas. If you guys are on a budget for Christmas, these are $1.98 for the Peace on Earth. And this little Joy to the World, the Lord has come, is beautiful. That one was $3.98. And also they had some really precious ornaments for $1.98. You got several of them if you guys are doing any of those mini Christmas trees, or if you're helping your grandkids or your kids decorate theirs, or maybe giving this like as a teacher gift for a decorated tree. These are really beautiful. There's 4 to 6 on each pack for $1.98. It's a pretty good deal. So here are also some little mini Christmas trees you guys can put in your Christmas village or use in a display, maybe for your buffet or hutch. And then this are some beautiful fiber optic angels, you guys. I think these are so precious if you do a traditional tree topper. They also had Santa Claus and some really beautiful sparkling snowflakes. Now for me, I usually do a floral for my tree topper, but if you guys like the more traditional ones, these are beautiful. And then I also found these really sweet and beautiful pale pink, just my color, shatterproof ornaments. These are rather large, about as big as my hand, and they were $2.48. And then this huge pack of pink and gold ornaments was $17.48. I believe there are about 50 pieces in here, and that could do almost a whole tree. And I love these babies' first Christmas. Look how sweet this is. This would also be really pretty in maybe like a mini display for your hutch or entryway table. Now, these definitely caught my eye. I love these birthstone ornaments. They were $2.97 and they were a big, beautiful, sparkling heart. They had them at all of the different birth dates, and they also had some that didn't have a birth date on them, but like some really beautiful sayings. So I feel like these would be a really sweet gift for maybe a niece or a nephew, or for your special grandkid. And then here's some really cute tinsel pink flamingos. They also had snowman, puppy dogs, and these little cute seals that are holding candy canes. Now here were the plush hats. I was really hoping that Walmart had pink ones. I'm really after a pink Santa hat, but they did not. But the red ones are cute as well for $2.98. And here's also some of the cute little hats that Walmart has if you guys have anybody that's really festive and likes to dress up for Christmas. Now here are some of Walmart's bows. These are $7.98, but they do come with quite a bit of ribbon on them if you guys are using the bows as a tree topper. They didn't really have any in my shabby chic style, but if I were to get one, I would probably get this burlap one on the end with the white lettering. Now the only pink stocking they had said, "Santa, I may be naughty, but I'm also adorable." If you guys really needed a pink stocking, you could cover that front lettering, and I will show you guys some DIYs on how to do that. But they did have this really beautiful pink sparkling mermaid stocking that I thought was very unique if you have a mermaid lover in your family. Now this little red truck, you guys, is so adorable. I loved this stocking, even though I'm not doing a whole lot of red this year. I did do red buffalo check plaid last year in some of my Christmas decor, so this would have been perfect. Now moving into the Christmas tree skirts, I kind of felt like they were a little bit high. They're between $20 and $36. I usually do some kind of different tree skirt, as far as I'll use like a wedding lace piece or a tablecloth piece, but this was my favorite, this ruffled plaid one. So they did have some really beautiful options if you guys are doing more of the traditional Christmas tree decor. And here are some of their really sweet wooden signs. They ranged between $5 and $9 to $10. These are really a fun way to glam up the outside of your holiday decor. And also I thought this little guy right here, this cute red truck for $4.74 was the steal of the day with the wooden signs for sure. Now you guys, I fell in love with these LED light up signs. I really loved this piece one, and of course I really loved the one that had the nativity scene. It just felt so cozy and so homey. I definitely might be coming back for one of those. And then they also had that red truck that I know is just going to be super popular this year, you guys. And look at how cute it is lit up. Golly, I just might have to do something with the red truck as well. Now, I was super impressed with their gift bag section because they're actually putting out some rose gold Christmas paper. They have this cute little Santa. They had some different bags, and this is really the first time I've seen Walmart do any kind of specialty paper in these pale colors with the rose gold. I'm not sure, maybe they had it last year and I missed it, but look at this. They even have this pink and white polka dot one. You guys, I love this one. Okay, you guys, now moving on to the Walmart Christmas trees. So I have the same vintage Christmas tree that I use every year. It's about a 6.5-inch white tree, kind of like this one right here, except for I do use white lights on it. But I think this is a really good deal if you guys needed kind of a smaller tree. For $39, there's a lot of tips and tricks I can share with you on how to fill out your Christmas trees. And I'm definitely going to be sharing that with you guys when I put up my actual Christmas tree in the coming weeks. Also, I really loved their flocked tree options. I think you guys could probably DIY some of these with some flocking and some pine cones and berries on your own. So comment and let me know what size and kind of tree you guys love. I hope you guys are inspired. I hope you guys we're getting ready for Christmas. I know you guys love to do Christmas crafts, and so check back for tons more DIYs. I'm going to share with you guys how to do wreaths, more Christmas decorating. You guys are going to be throwing ornaments at me by the end of this season. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. I do tons of DIYs and tons of heart home, and I do also try to cook. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Thank you for all the love, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.